Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's branch management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. Now let's start a new branch. For branch setup, click on Restaurant Management, and you have to go to Restaurant Setup. When you click there, you will find the branch setup. As you already created an account, this system created a default branch automatically. To create a new branch, click on the Create Branch option. There, you have to add branch name, contact person name, designation, number, email, and availability status, which means you want to keep your new branch on or off. Your new branch has been created successfully. Now let's see how you can manage it. Now, by clicking on the eye icon, you'll get a quick view of that branch. After setting up the branch, you can also check its location from here. Next, click on the three-dot menu. Inside, you'll find several options, including the delivery area and charges section. If you click on this section, it will redirect you to a page where you can set the delivery areas and charges. You'll also find other important settings here, such as basic information, where you can update your branch address, country, city, the contact details of your branch manager, and even upload a new logo if needed. Now move forward to the delivery area and charges. Before you set the delivery charges, you have to set the delivery area. Just click on the option, click here to set up. From there, you can set 3 types to set delivery area. One is kilometer-wise, another is zip code-wise, and lastly zone-wise. If you want to set an area in kilometers, you need to set charges per kilometer and the area you want to cover. And this way, you can set up charges and area by zip code-wise and zone-wise. In these 3 types, you can set all the delivery types together, but you can only activate one type at a time. Now going back to the branch setup, you can set the delivery charge status on and the delivery charge type. Also, you can set the base delivery charge and maximum delivery charge and the minimum order value. You can set working hours. Either you can keep it always open or set any specific time. That's your choice. For each branch, you can set up the inventory the way you prefer. You have 2 options. Either deduct inventory after an order is confirmed, or deduct it when you prepare a recipe. Simply choose the method that works best for you, and click Save. You can also manage your inventory model branch by branch, giving you full flexibility and control. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to manage your branches with ease. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!